We are at 170 Desiree Broyles Lane in Chuckey, Tennessee. This is the Randall residence. We have a metal roof, as you can see. We do have felt, we have drip edge, and what feels like plywood underneath. Here's an overview of the front. An overview of the back. As you can see, we have 2 pipe boots, 1 on each slope. We also have a front porch section down here. A couple of gables, as you can see. Now, the leak is reportedly coming from this front porch gable right here. And you can see there's a patch of metal here that is not original. And there's a lot of silicone in that area. But scattered across the roof are the screws that are lifted and have sealant all over them. You can see different ones. Some are rusted, are starting to rust. And in some places there are 2 screws that they've put in. Maybe try to give it a little more reinforcement. But they're just scattered throughout the roof here. So even in this situation, we got 3 different screws. A couple of that have popped or popping out. You can see some more over in that area. Same thing. And just naturally with the metal roofs, over time, the screws and the washers will dry out, rot, and rust. And that's just part of the nature of a metal roof. And so the leaks could be coming in from those kinds of things. Could also be getting in the valley somewhere or in that section where they've put the silicone on that front gable. You can see here, you can kind of see anyways, where the metal is. There's a gap right there in a few different places. One right here, here, out here, where the metal is bent just a little bit and lifted just a little bit. So it doesn't appear to be any storm related damages. These could be considered spatter marks, some of these, but there's no evidence of any kind of damage to the soft metals around the property or anything that would actually damage a metal roof. There's none lifted or creased or blown back by wind. It doesn't seem to be any storm related damages on the roof itself. So all in all, on the east front slope, we have 0 wind, 0 hail. And on the west back slope, we have 0 wind, 0 hail. Again, we are at 170 Desiree Broyles Road in Chuckey, Tennessee. This is the Randall residence, and that is everything that's on this roof.